As a trainer, I think it's very important that we work with young people. These are life skills and they're used for interviews, presenting, as well as making speeches. So for young people to develop those skills early on means that they can have better opportunities later on in life.
What I got from the programme, I feel like so much more confident in myself, and my self-esteem has really boosted up, and I feel like I can actually do the things that I put my mind towards.
Whenever you listen to a speech, there are 3 things that determine the speeches you enjoy and the speeches you don't enjoy. What does the C stand for?
Content.
Okay. Then there's a D.
Delivery.
Delivery.
Structure.
Make sure the whole room can hear you, even to the back of the room.
Don't hold yourself back. Don't hold yourself back at all.
Speak passionately, really. Yeah.
All this work that you've been doing now or in the moment, had a little warm up and we're ready to go.
Ignorance is bliss. Or is it?
I think it's so important for my students to learn to speak in public because it's a key skill that they may need in the future. It's no good us as teachers if we are training them academically without giving them the interpersonal skills that they need to communicate effectively in the workplace.
I think that if you work hard, you will succeed, and that is my dreams philosophy.
In my opinion, it's crucial that we hold an assembly final as it benefits all those taking part and really brings the school together as a community, and it means that we all can support the regional finalists going through.
When I did my regional final, I was incredibly nervous. I doubted myself when I was getting up on the stage. But once the spotlight hit me, I completely forgot about all my fears. I was like, I have to go and do this, and I know I can do this because I've practiced enough. And I went out and I delivered, and I was proud of myself.
Ladies, gentlemen, judges and grand finalists, good evening.
I'm looking for people who've really thought about what they've got to say, who can draw it together in a way that's both reasoned and gripping, and really communicate that to me in a way that makes me think, wow, that's something I haven't thought about before.
Or adults who have never seen the horrors of war, but get to choose which battles you fight. And society can be a hypocrite. It tells us to follow rules and stereotypes, yet it wants us to be unique and act differently.
The Jack Petchey SpeakOut Challenge champion is Erin Stoner.
It's pure excitement. Then the audience is so electric. Public speaking so often gets overlooked, and it's brilliant that you set something like this up.
I did the programme myself when it was in its fledgling years when I was at school. I went from being a student that couldn't raise their hand in class to being someone that could get up in front of a large crowd and very happily give a speech. The difference I've seen in my students has been phenomenal. I would 100% recommend the SpeakOut Challenge to all teachers and all schools.